Hello and welcome to video number 5 of our Fire System Builder how-to videos. In this video, we would like to show you how to add additional accessories and products to your product list when you finished your project. Indeed, you can find the product list with your panel, the expansions, and the different loops configurations after having finished your project. If you would like to add additional accessories for all the devices, you can do this by clicking on the Edit Accessories button. Here you can select the different accessory groups, depending on the selection that you have made. For example, for the automatic detectors you can add additional accessories, such as designation plates, locking device, and others. Moreover, any product from HIT can be added. This can be done by clicking in the Search for Products and Documentation bar. For example, you could incorporate this additional housing in the project, and it will appear after selecting it. Moreover, it could also be deleted if it is not needed at a later stage. This is how you can add additional products and manage accessories for your fire system project in the Fire System Builder.